Welcome to the Traders Market Intelligence Report brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Monday, January 27, 2025. Hope you're having a great day. Hope it has been a fantastic trading week for you, man. It has been a good one. As we get started, keep in mind that everything we look at is for education. Nothing is meant to be advice or recommendations. If you find something that you like, anything, make sure it fits your own personal risk profile and risk tolerance. All right, so let's dive right in. So we've got our standard fib that's been on here now for the last 6 or 7 months or so. If we look at what transpired here with our recent swing highs and lows, just to give you a catch up on exactly what we did, let's go grab a drawing tool. We had an all-time high here, and we had this big pullback as it broke out of this dreaded box of neutrality. We put in a new low, we put in a lower high, we put in a lower low, we put another lower high in, and yet another lower low, which was concerning as it pierced through, because we were able to maintain on this zone right in here. On this day, we were able to bounce back and use that zone as a place of strength, and then we gapped right through it, stretched down. Bulls took over big time that day. Gap up, gap up. Let's see, we gapped up here, just closed lower. Gap up, gap up, gap up, right? And then we kind of gap down just a little bit there. All-time high yesterday, all-time high today, pullback candle today. Rob, need to get concerned we're pulled back today? Nope, nothing to be concerned about. It's a Friday. It's expected to see pullbacks on Friday like that. Overall, the market is doing fantastic. We are in a true bullish bias. This recent first all-time high we had in here, or the previous all-time high, I guess, is gone. This one is gone. The one from yesterday is gone. Today's a new one. Yes. Yesterday's closing high was higher than today's. So it is our highest closing high. Whew, excuse me, tickling my throat there. So where do we go next? Well, let's kind of scrunch down a little bit and see what we got happening there. We're at that 6101 right now. We're looking at 6060 as the next downside target. On the upside, we've got 6172, 53 and 6172.35. Ooh, baby, that's our first stack. So we go the ABC pattern, right? So the A, which is where the fib started, B is where the fib ended, C is where the pullback, the deepest pullback trough, it was after the B pattern, right? After that B or that swing high was put in play, right? And from there, we extrapolate out a 236, a 618, and a 1. Each of those three levels are key critical levels for us. And sure enough, we're on our way, headed back to the upper limits of that level now, to the 1 level, right? That's 6172. So I am liking it a lot. When we look at VIX, fear, we're off a little bit, 17 cents. That's good. That's good. But guys, we can't go much lower. We're at 14 and jingle, $15, $14.85, whatever it is. We're fairly low already. It's going to be very small pickings on the downside here. You're not going to get massive moves. You can only go to 0. So we're not going to see that happen. When we go and look at the S&P and we look at this from a weekly standpoint, weeks are doing great, right? Last week was phenomenal. This week is amazing, all-time high. We look at the monthlies. Same scenario, here, look. This was an all-time high. This was not. This one was new all-time high, new all-time high, new all-time high, and again, new all-time high, right? So month after month after month after month, with the exception of that 1 month in there that we did not have right here, that was August. We did not have an all-time high in that month at all, right? So I am stoked about what the S&P is. I am full bore bullish, true bullish bias. We're at a rank of 2 right now, maybe 2 or 3, one of those two. We'll see where it opens up on Monday, but I'm liking where we're at right now. So there you go, folks. Have a great rest of your weekend, and I will see you all in our next updates. Bye for now.